Yep, 1 second.
Hey, I need that updated imagery from the sinkhole in St. Louis. And I'm gonna need that by the end of the day.
Okay, on it.
Thanks.
When you need updated imagery, waiting for months isn't an option.
This isn't gonna work.
For the first time ever, drone imagery is now readily available in Content Store for ArcGIS across North America. Spexi connects you to their network of local drone pilots, ready to provide access to data where and when you need it. Support emergency response, monitor construction and infrastructure projects, or track urban growth, all with crystal clear, up-to-date data you can trust.
Hey, any update on the imagery from St. Louis?
Already got it.
Across the globe, Spexi delivers standardized drone imagery at 10 times the resolution of the best satellites and can be updated dynamically as the world changes, in areas as small as 25 acres. Now available in the Content Store for ArcGIS.